Investing in Wahed, an online platform offering halal investment opportunities, involves several straightforward steps. Sign up. Begin by signing up for a Wahed account on their website or mobile app. Provide your personal information, including your name, email address, and country of residence. Complete profile. After signing up, you need to complete your investor profile. This includes providing additional details such as your investment goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Wahed uses this information to recommend suitable investment portfolios. Verify identity. Depending on your country of residence and regulatory requirements, you may need to verify your identity. This typically involves providing identification documents such as a passport or driver's license. Fund your account. Once your account is set up and verified, you can fund it with the desired investment amount. Wahed offers various funding methods, including bank transfers, debit cards, and other online payment options. Select portfolio. Wahed offers a range of diversified portfolios that adhere to Islamic investment principles. Choose the portfolio that aligns with your investment objectives and risk tolerance. Review and confirm. Before finalizing your investment, review the selected portfolio and its composition. Once satisfied, confirm your investment to initiate the purchase of the underlying assets. Monitor your investment. After investing, monitor your portfolio's performance regularly through the Wahed platform. You can track returns, review asset allocation, and make adjustments as needed.